Coffee. What you'll need: a French press, lightweight, durable and travel sized for bikepacking. Ground coffee, medium coarse grind for French press. Fresh water. Camping stove or kettle. A camping mug and a spoon or stirrer. Steps for perfection. 1. Prepare your gear. Set up your camping stove and boil fresh water. The ideal water temperature for coffee is just below boiling point, around 90 to 96 degrees centigrade. If you don't have a thermometer, let the water sit for 30 seconds after boiling. 2. Measure your coffee. Use a ratio of about 1 to 15 for coffee to water. For example, 1 tablespoon of coffee for every 150 milliliters of water. Adjust to taste if you prefer it stronger or milder. 4. Add coffee grounds. Place your ground coffee into the French press. 5. Pour and stir. Slowly pour hot water over the coffee grounds, filling the French press to your desired level. Stir gently with a spoon to ensure all grounds are saturated. 6. Let it brew. Place the lid with the plunger pulled all the way up and let the coffee steep for 4 minutes. If it's cold outside, insulate the French press with a towel or pouch to retain heat. 7. Press and pour. After 4 minutes, slowly press the plunger down. Take your time to avoid forcing grounds through the mesh. Pour immediately into your camping mug to prevent over-extraction. 8. Enjoy. Sip your coffee while soaking in the natural beauty of your surroundings. Tips for bikepackers. Pack light. Consider a compact, durable French press or an all-in-one coffee press system. Pre-grind your coffee. Store it in an airtight bag or container to save space and preserve freshness. This method combines simplicity and quality, making it the perfect way to start your day on a bikepacking adventure. I bought the Helikon-Tex Camp French Press Coffee Mug. I have left a link in the description for you to check it out on Amazon.